Hi, welcome traders. Welcome back to JJP Trading Academy. Today in this video, we are going to see a new updated version indicator of our JJP powerful indicator. So before in the previous videos also you might have seen about our JJP powerful indicator. So we have also given many updates with our JJP powerful indicator. So this is a new and ultimate update. So now we have updated the name as JJP Moneymaker indicator. So this indicator will be more useful for a beginner as well as the advanced traders. So if you are a beginner, don't know to take any trade entries, don't know to do any strategies, this indicator will be easily guiding you with the buy sell signals and exit trailing stop loss, and it will be providing you the perfect level of the entry for the day. So if you are an intraday trader struggling to make a consistent profits, sure you can use this indicator. I wish every traders to use this indicator as well as with Bank Nifty future, Nifty futures, index, stocks as well as commodity market. So surely you'll be getting a good consistency, because so totally I'll be explaining about our JJP Moneymaker indicator in this video. I wish every traders to watch this video till the end, then only you can understand what are all the informations and how to make the entry according to our indicator. And if you have not subscribed to our channel till now, click on the subscribe button, click on the bell button, then only you will be receiving the upcoming video updates of our channel. So let us open our indicator. So now I have hidden our indicator. So if you want to get access with our indicator, you can WhatsApp us right now. So once you WhatsApp, you need to send your tradingview profile ID here. So each and everyone will be signing up with the tradingview and you will be getting a individual profile ID. So once you send your profile ID, we will be giving you access through our username, and we will be giving you access through the invite only script mode. So once So actually when you open the indicator, this is the main screen you will be getting right now. So you just see here, now we have displayed our community name JJP Trading Academy. So now you will be getting two tables in the right side. So right side center you will be getting a table which will be showing you the order table. So whatever the if the current market is showing you a buy signal or a sell signal, it will be displayed here, and what is the current price the buy signal has been triggered and what is the trailing stop loss currently running on, it will be displayed in this tables. So it will be updating according to the current market movement. So if the market is giving you the buy signal, then it will be displaying only the buy signal and what is the price of the buy signal as well as for sell signal. So right now currently there is no sell signal, so sell is not displayed. As well as there is another table here in the bottom. So now you can see this will be displaying you the current market strike price according to our calculations. So for every strike price selection we have given a different calculations that it will be based upon the day of the market. If it is a weekly expiry, it will be separately, it will be calculating as per the ITM strike prices. So like this, for each and every day this strike prices will be updating for the current market price running market. So if you are a beginner, if you are struggling to make the entry as per the future, if you want to make an entry with options, we need to calculate whether it is a ATM or ITM or OTM strike price. We need to calculate at that time, but this indicator will be automatically displaying you the current market strike price in this tab, so that you can once you are going to make a buy entry according to future, then surely you can go for call option, and if you are getting any sell entry, then you can go for a put option. So this is a easy method of choosing the strike price, as well as you will be getting a display of the orders at which price the order has been taken and what is the current trailing stop loss. So let us see with the replay mode for the last traded day. So now I am going to show the replay mode of 30th August 2022 with our JJP Moneymaker indicator. So let us play with the first day. So you can see here, this is the first trade entry which has been given with HP buy entry. So our indicator will be providing you the buy signal, sell signal, HP buy, HP sell signal. So HP buy and HP sell is nothing but it is a high probable buy entry and a high probable sell entry. For example, if there is a buy entry, the HP buy entry will be coming after some times, that is after getting a better candle confirmation, it will be forming you the HP buy signals. So if you are making an entry with any signal, buy signal, HP buy, HP sell or sell signal, it is better to take entry only when the candle is closing above. If you want to make a buy entry according to the first signal, so right now in this candle there is a HP buy signal and it is taking at 38,607. At that price there is a green line, you can see this line will be plotted at the open of the candle. So after the signal confirmation of this candle only, we need to see whether the candle is closed above the violet level as well as the red level. So this red level will be changing to green as well as the red. At the time of the current market situation, it will be changing. So the color is not matter. We need to see whether the candle is closing above the violet level as well as the red level. If the candle is closing above both the levels, then surely you can go for a buy entry. There is no there is a it is a perfect confirmation of that candle. So once you get a confirmation that the candle is closing above the violet level as well as the another level, this will be changing to red as well as green. So now it is in a red color. So this is a high probable confirmation. 9:15 candle itself we got a entry, HP buy entry. So this trade entry we got a stop loss, trailed stop loss of 38,622. As a basic, you can keep the previous levels low as a stop loss, but if you got a trailing stop loss at that time itself, then you can keep the stop loss as this level. So now you just see here the next candle, the trailing stop loss will be updated. The same it will be updated in this table also. So in this table, the trailing stop loss, what is the current market trailing stop loss, it has been updated, as well as the buy entry at which open price it has been taken, it is updated. So you can easily say which is the current market and what is the current market situation is going on according to this table. So you can see almost 10:10 the candle has been formed, but till now the trailing stop loss has been not hitted and market is again and again trailing with the trailing stop loss. Till now the trailing stop loss has been not met and there is no opposite buy exit signal as well as there is no opposite signals till now. So again we are in a buy trend till now. So almost you can see this day is a big bullish day. So our indicator has been taken the full trend of the market today. So now also almost you can see till 2 o'clock there is no trailing stop loss has been not hit. Till now it is trailing the stop loss for the buy entry. And now you can see there is a slight nearest the market has been trading near to our trailing stop loss. And it has been hitted in this candle. So now we understood that the buy exit has been came for this candle. So the trade has been exited. So once there is a return also, the buy exit will be intimating you. If there is no trailing, if the trailing stop loss not entered also, the buy exit will be coming for you so that you can exit the position for the buy entry. As well as for sell entry, you will be getting a sell exit. Okay. So now the trade has been taken in this candle. For example, now we have taken after our HP buy signal, if we have taken the trade has been in this candle. So almost you can see the buy exit has been happened. So almost we have got 540 points in this trade entry. Okay. So this is the big bullish day. So now you can see the second trade also has been came in this candle 215 at 39,440. So once you get a candle which is closed both above the both levels, that the candle has been closed. So this is a high probable entry. Now we are going to take this entry in the next candle itself. So it's a perfect entry. So for this also you are getting a trailing stop loss updated by it. once you started trading with our indicator with the consistent trade entries, every trades if you are taken with our indicator, surely you will be in a consistent profits. We start trading with our indicator. So let us see for the previous day back test. So you just see here right now, according to the previous 29 August 2022, there is the market seems to be more sideways, even though our indicator has been given a signal. So you just see here the sell entry has been came at 1050 candle. So this candle is a candle which the order has been given for sell entry, but this entry, the level of the violet level is below of the candle. So the candle closes above the violet level and below the red level. So there is no confirmation that it is not below both the levels. So that this entry should be avoided because it is not closing below the violet level. So this entry will be avoided. So we are not going to take this trade. As well as again there is a HP sell signal. So once after a better candle confirmation, the HP sell signal has been came. Almost the market seems to be a more sideways. Even you can see in a 11:15 candle, this entry is satisfying the both condition, that is it is below the violet level as well as it is below the red level. So we are going to take this trade entry in this candle. So once we taken the trade, suddenly our sell exit has been came. So in this candle itself we got a sell exit. So we are going to exit this trade with a stop loss of minimum points only. You just see here, once we have taken the trade entry, minimum points itself we got a sell exit. So surely we are going to, at that time itself we are going to exit the trade entry. So again you can see there is a buy entry came. It is for buy entry, it should be above the violet level. So this is above violet level, but the red level is nearest. So if you have taken this trade also, the red level is the small scalp trade. So you can also avoid this trade, and if you have taken this trade also, you should exit that position before the level itself, before at least 10 points or 20 points before the level itself. A small scalp you can do this, but this is the only entry we got this day. And again there is a entry here, but this entry also, there is the candle is not above the red level. So if you are seeing the candle is not above the both levels, you can basically avoid the trade entry. If you are going to a trade, enter into a trade also, you can just do a small scalp nearest to the nearest level. But the most high probable entries are considered as, you need to get the candles to should be above for the above of the both levels for the buy entry and below of the both levels to the sell entry. So let us see with the stocks also. In Tata Steel, we got a buy entry here in the last candle of the previous day, 29 August 2022. Last candle we got a HP buy entry, but this level, the candle is not closing above the both levels. So let us see for the next day the consideration of the previous signal, because sometimes you will not be getting a signal until there is a confirmation of the trend change. If you are not getting any signals of the next day, then you need to consider the previous signal which is activated. For example, the buy HP buy is activated, but the confirmation of the candle, and it is confirmation of the candle is not happened, as well as the buy exit also not came till now. So if you are getting this type of situation in the trade entry, then you can take that, carry on that trade entry in the next day starting, because it is near only. So almost the trade entry is the next candle itself, you can take entry, and it is satisfying the condition that the candle is closing above both the levels. So if you are taking this trade, it's a good trade. You can see the trailing stop loss also updated with near to your candles itself. Consider the signal. If it is the nearest candle itself, you are getting the confirmation of the candle close, then you can take that entry, because the next day there is no signal. So that we can consider the previous day signal HP buy is activated and the market has been gapped up, so that only we are taking this entry. So let us see with another example. away from the strike price only. So if you are trading with the options, surely you need to take the trade entry with the Bank Nifty future only. According to the Bank Nifty future alone, you should take the option strike price selection, and option trade surely you should take only according to the Bank Nifty future signals. So now you can see for this trade entry perfectly the exit has been happened in the last before candle, so that the market full trend has been taken with the Tata Motor stock. So thank you traders, thanks for watching this video till the end. And now I think you have understood about our performance of our JJB Moneymaker indicator. And if you want to get access with our indicator, WhatsApp us right now on 7200556708. Until that, follow us on JJP Trading Academy Telegram channel. As well as if you have not subscribed to our channel till now, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell button. I will be meeting you in the next video. Thank you.